In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a view in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. This is the starting point for the process, and from here you'll be able to navigate to the area where your saved views are managed. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation options, so if you're ever trying to find a tool or section, this is usually the first place to check. From that left side menu, click on Conversations. This will take you into the Conversations area, where you can manage message activity and also access different saved views that help organize what you see. After the Conversations page opens, click on the View icon. This is the section that displays your available views, and it's where you can switch between them or manage the ones you no longer need. If you have several views saved, take a moment here so you choose the correct one before making any changes. Next, look through the list and find the specific view you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check the name before continuing, especially if you have multiple views that are similar. Since deleting a view is something you typically do to clean up your workspace, being certain at this stage can help you avoid removing the wrong one. Once you've found the right view, click the three dots next to the view name. This opens the action menu for that specific view. In most cases, this menu contains the management options related only to the item you selected. From that menu, click Delete. As soon as you do that, Gohighlevel will usually show a confirmation prompt. This extra confirmation step is helpful because it gives you one more chance to review your action before the view is permanently removed. When the confirmation message appears, confirm that you want to delete the view by clicking delete again. After that, the view will be removed from your list, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a view in Gohighlevel. If you're organizing your conversations area, this is a quick and useful way to remove outdated or unnecessary views and keep things easier to manage. Just remember to review the view name carefully before confirming the deletion, so you only remove the one you actually intended to delete.